Romatlink.
Hopefully, but I'm really good at butchering names.
Might be a good idea to take this off.
I've already damaged my ring twice.
No struggle at all.
It's super easy.
Because I'm Iron Man.
How did they fit a bike in there?
There it is. Now let's see what's in the little boxes.
There was a bag with 2 nuts. Good number of nuts.
In here, the charger, optional reflectors for the spokes, pedals, tools, and lastly, the manual.
It's very small. It's one of the smallest I've ever seen.
Which means the bike is mostly assembled.
Maybe once it's actually together, that part will be a little easy.
Handlebar time.
Oh, I did that wrong.
There's a little clamp here, kind of like the seat clamp.
Yes, much better. It might help to read the instructions first.
So here's the hinge where the bike folds. Let's see if I can figure out how to clamp this in place. So I think it goes in here. It's really the only spot it can go. And then I just clamp it. I don't know if I'm strong enough. I am Iron Man.
Pedals. The right one spins clockwise,
And the left one.
spins counterclockwise. Well, screws in.
And then tighten it in place. Since I'm already down here, I might as well tighten the front wheel. Well, make sure it's tight.
I don't know yet if I'm gonna put this on here or not, but it's a little backrest for the back seat. And it attaches here, so I can stick it in and then screw it in from the bottom.
And finally, the last part of assembly, the seat.
The seat post clamps down, like most bike seats. There's a little knobby thing on one side and a lever on the other. So once you have it where you want it, and straight, try to get it straight. Clamp it down, and there's gotta be a lot of resistance on the clamp. I am Iron Man! Yeah! All the way down. Oopsie, that last part was kind of blurry. So I'm gonna refilm what I'm about to show you, except for the clamping of the seat. I'm not redoing that. So the seat, there's a little lever here. Seat lifts up, and then you can pull out the battery. In the manual, it does say when the bike is brand new out of the box to pull the battery out. I mean, you don't have to completely pull it out, just kind of reposition it in there and then lock it in place. So to lock it, it's just one click over.
Here's what happens when I lock it. That little notch comes out, and now I can't pull out the battery.
To unlock it, you gotta push it in and then turn.
And then to turn on the bike, one more click. And over here, that's where you charge it.
Oh yeah, one more thing. With this one, I gotta plug the bike into the battery. So now to turn it on, I'm gonna click to on, come up here, hold down the power button. And to turn it off, hold down the power button. This button here controls the light. This kind of looks like it's for that front light, but this is for the light on the screen. So it's just controlling the dimness and brightness of that. Horn. I scared the cat.
When the front lights are on, so is the tail light.
This is gonna show how many miles per hour you're going. This right here is pedal assist. 0 means it's just a bike. It's just a regular bike. If you want to use the motor, here's pedal assist 1. So it's gonna assist a little bit when you pedal, and it'll assist a lot more the higher you go. Caps out at 5. This is the throttle. You can just sit there and do nothing, and the bike will move. See, I'm not doing anything, and the bike will move by itself. I like that it's not a very violent throttle. Some of them. Ooh.
To fold the bike, undo that, bring it over to this side, then you lift this, and this is the crucial step right here. Lift that, and now you can fold it,
But it's still really heavy.
and then the handlebars fold down too. And if you need it smaller than this,
You can always remove the seat or just lower it.
Got it fully charged. Now I'm gonna inflate the tires to 30 psi.
Excuse me.
And I'm off. In pedal assist 1, I got it to about 6.5 per hour. In 2, 11.5-ish. In 3, 15.6-ish. In 4, about 22 miles per hour. And then in 5, I got it past 25 miles an hour.
That guy is speeding, because so am I. Let's bring it back to bike mode. Just a bicycle. No pedal assist. I got it on the hardest gear to pedal on. Right there, there we go. So now I'm gonna show you the difference with the motor and without the motor. So here it is. No motor. Let's skip all of them. Go to 5. And same thing, I still have it in the hardest gear to pedal in. Woo! I'm gonna take on my favorite little hill with pedal assist because I want to show you guys how easy it is, and I'm gonna put it on 5, make it real easy. I didn't even slow down. Yeah, there was zero slowdown. In fact, I think I actually sped up a little going up the hill. Definitely not something that would happen on a regular bike. Not for me anyway.
Now, did I mention that the battery is Samsung? If you've seen my really old videos, before the bike stuff, there was other stuff. I really liked my Samsung batteries. The motor on this, 750 watts, so 1,000 peak. Max weight that this will hold, 350 pounds. Not bad.
Especially considering it's got a back seat back there. Gonna need all the poundage I can get.
And the bike does a really good job at absorbing the weight. Check out the front wheel when it goes down right here. Front suspension, and in the back, dual shock absorption.
The max range in pedal assist mode is about 100 miles. That's just an estimate. I'm not gonna test it. I know I should, but no. I'm not my tush. I'm going back up my favorite hill. Now I got it on pedal assist 2. Pedaling. It's really no effort at all. I'm not feeling the burn. Just one-handing it up this hill. It's very pleasant. Not as fast as pedal assist 5 up a hill, but that's okay. It's so easy. It would be really hard right now for me to switch from an e-bike back to a regular bike.
Pedal assist is super easy, but
Throttle only is even easier. As I'm cruising past some townhouses, I'm wondering, what kind of person do you have to be to live in one of these and get a yup dog? Any little sound and it's going off. Don't be that person. Okay, I think that's it. If you like the bike, there'll be a link below in the video's description. And that's it. I'm heading home. It's starting to get dark. So it's gonna be dark in about 20 minutes. Toodaloo. Bye guys. What sucks about GoPro is I can't see what I'm recording. I just kind of hope for the best when I get home and edit all this.